My name is Sonia Ross. Welcome to this guided meditation on reclaiming your joy. Let's breathe that in, a guided meditation to reclaim your joy. Joy is often something we don't have access to. Sometimes we don't even know what it means. Sometimes we don't even think that we feel worthy of joy. Often we can struggle with accessing it within our bodies and feeling that we are worthy of it. But we are all worthy of experiencing joy. So let's see if we can connect with it a bit today. So let's begin first by noticing the rise and fall of your chest. Nice gentle inhale and a nice gentle exhale. Just notice your breathing pattern and what the rise and fall of your chest feels like. And then let's begin by deepening it. Nice gentle inhale and a nice gentle exhale. A nice gentle inhale and a nice gentle exhale. A nice gentle inhale and a nice gentle exhale. A nice gentle inhale and a nice gentle exhale. And one more breath like this. A nice gentle inhale and a nice gentle exhale. And now let's see if we can connect with a sense of joy in our body. When you hear the word joy, what feeling, image, or thought comes to mind? After you've identified a feeling, an image, or a thought, notice where you feel this in your body. If you're having any trouble identifying an image or a feeling of joy, that's totally okay. See if you can bring one up with your imagination through a book passage that fills you with joy, a movie that may have given you joy, a vacation, an experience, moments with family or friends where you just felt joyful. It's okay to use your imagination, and it's okay to connect with characters who may have done things like this, because sometimes we can experience certain feelings and emotions through media that we don't have access to in our present reality, and that's okay. But once you've seen something that you've connected with, see if you can notice where you feel this feeling in your body, this feeling of joy. And just notice it and be present with it. Notice if it has a color or a shape or a texture. Maybe it looks like a glitter ball or some type of decorative arrangement. See if it has an image for you or a color or texture. And imagine holding it in your hand. Imagine holding your joy in your hand. And you're looking at it and it's wonderful and you're saying, wow, this lives inside of me. Now see if where you're noticing it in your body. Where did this joy come from? Is it located in a particular area? And see if you can have a deeper connection to this experience of joy in your body. See if you can immerse yourself in it just a little bit deeper by maybe making the color brighter Or if you're feeling a texture, feeling more details into the texture of it. Or if it has a temperature, noticing the temperature of it. And allow yourself to feel all of these qualities in a deeper and deeper way. Not all at once, bit by bit. And as you go deeper into it, just imagine yourself seeing this feeling of joy expand. Allow it to just fill you up in every way that you need. Allow this joyous feeling to fill you up and to speak to you. Have it tell you what you need in your life, how you can access more joy. This part of yourself is telling you that you are worthy of joy, that you don't have to deny yourself this experience. Continue to connect with this feeling of joy in your body for as long as you like. Continue to focus on your breath. Now continue to have this feeling of joy expanding in your body. Maybe moving up towards your shoulders and maybe flowing like a golden liquid down your arms and your back. Slowly wrapping around your waist and flowing towards your pelvic region, your thighs, the backs of your legs. And it's filling you up like warm liquid gold. And it's glowing, going to your knees, your shins, your ankles, and just pulling at your feet which ground you in this world that do so much hard work. It's nourishing your feet. And then it's going in, and it's going back up your body to fill you up again. Up your shins, your calves, your knees, your thighs, the backs of your legs, your hip joints, your hips that hold so many of your emotions, nourishing your belly, your back, your rib cage, your chest, your shoulder blades, your clavicle, going down your arms to your fingertips, and also at the same time going up your head to your nose, mouth, ears, eyes, the very tippy top of your head to your crown. And you're filled up with this joyous gold liquid. And it's all for you. Just take your time. Take your time. Take your time and immerse yourself and enjoy this feeling of joy, these feelings you've always deserved to feel. When the experience feels complete for you, I want you to thank the part of your body that's holding the joy and let it know you will do more to connect with it on a daily basis. That you will not say that this part of yourself doesn't deserve your attention or that you are undeserving in any way. You will no longer tell any part of yourself that you are undeserving in any way. You will say, I deserve to connect with my joy. You will let your body and mind know that you deserve to connect with your joy. Thank this part of you holding your joy for connecting with you today. And send love to all other parts of yourself that you weren't able to reach today in your experience. And slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body, wiggling your hands very gently and your toes. Very, very gently. Bring slight movements to your head and your shoulders. Very slowly, very gently, with intention. Focus on your breath. Allow your breath to bring you back into your present moment awareness, back into this reality. Allow your breath to breathe through you 5 times. Inhale and exhale. Nice long inhale and a nice long exhale. Nice long inhale and a nice long exhale. Nice long inhale and a nice long exhale. And a last inhale and exhale. Begin opening your eyes and gently looking around the room. Don't look at any electronics. Don't pick up your phone. Don't look at the computer. Just look around the room and pause your eyes every few seconds on something that you notice in your room. And allow your sense of presence and awareness to come fully back into your body before you begin your day. My name is Sonia Ross. Thank you for joining me on this guided meditation to reclaim your joy. I hope you were able to access and find some joy within you today. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment below about your experience. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We post weekly meditations every Monday and Wednesday. Thank you for being on this journey with me today. The holiness and divinity in me sees and honors the holiness and divinity in you. Till we meet again.